bird documentary happening live in
It's your
my
boy
bedroom.
CARTOON cartoon. So this is day one of me finding out
Doing well here.
that there's a bird laying eggs at my bathroom window, and here's the 19th or the 20th of August. Uh, this was few days after I discovered the egg. So it's been laying, and this is the bird, the mother bird laying on her eggs, incubating. So this was the 20th of August. So she goes, comes back, appears, disappears, and reappears. So here she is, still incubating. And this was the 22nd, first day of August. Now, this is the 23rd day of August, and she's gone. So I'm able to open the net to see her nest. So this is her back on her eggs. This was okay. Now she has hatched. This was the 30th of August. So I missed out 7 days because I was a bit too busy. So you can see the chicks. You can hear them whistle. Uh, the mother is back on them. She goes to feed and comes back once in a while. So I'm trying to be careful not to distract them or fend them off for some or scare them away. You can see the mother bird staring at me. So this is the third day of September, and now move to the sixth day of September. See the birds all growing up rapidly, doing very well. I know they couldn't move, so I could open the window, check them. Now the mother bird is back to feed them. You can see her and our birds, our babies playing. And here they are. The mother has gone this time, leaving them to grow. She cannot lay on those growing birds anymore. They're getting big by the second. They're getting big, bigger and bigger by the second. Not even by day, by the second. So you can hear me urinate and see the birds all growing and being aware of what's going on in the environment. By the way, I put a small bowl of water for them a long time ago. As you can see, the blue plastic by the side, just in case. I just put that water there. So, and it's not my urine; it's actually water. So, so you can see the birds staring at me, being aware of the surroundings. So now we move. This is the 13th day of August, and now this is the 15th day of August of September. Rather, I'm sorry. This is the 15th day of September. See the twin birds, chicks becoming adults. Uh, Look at them, doing well, doing pretty well. So one of them had flown away. This is the 17th day of September, and one of them had flown away. And you can see the other one getting set for flight, getting ready for flight, preparing our wings or his wings, whichever one is. And it's gone. And there we have it. The whole experience of having the bird come lay two eggs in your window. Thanks for watching.